Good morning, guys. As you can see, I'm on my laptop today, and I was looking for a trade on GBP USD, but I couldn't enter because the price didn't reach my point. It was a really good trade because I actually got a really pretty decent movement over 90 pips, but yeah, unlucky. So now let's see the recap. Starting from the day, we have swapped this high right there, and we have formed a daily fair value gap. Now let's go behind. Perfect. Now I see that we had these equal lows right there, so this was my target, and we also have the weekly open right there, which is a point of attraction. Now let's move on to the lower time frame on the 4 hour. As you can see, we have a strong movement in the up, but this movement originally didn't swap any liquidity. Okay, so that's the reason why I think that these lows must be taken out. And if we go at 60, we can see that we actually have break the structure right there in this point. Okay, also creating imbalances, inefficiencies that the market respected to go lower. Now we break the structure reacting from these imbalance. We break this structure, and we actually have these fair value gap right there. We have also this fair value gap, but we was too low, so I prefer to wait this zone right there. After we ended up in this zone, I go down in time frame in the M5, and what we actually see, divergence with the Euro USD, which is right there, as you can see, and the price has started to break the structure and also create inefficiencies. So I was waiting for the price to come back at the structure, and then targeting lower liquidity. Now if we go to Euro USD, we see a similar price action. As you can see on the daily, we were actually respecting this daily fair value gap, and we also have liquidity that must be swapped. We have also an attraction, we also have a weekly fair value gap that must be a point of attraction for sure, and I think that we can push the price below this level, because this candle right there is an inside bar. What is an inside bar is a candle which has multiple candles inside it that didn't take out the high and the low of the candle. It creates a sort of range. Okay, this range now gets manipulated right there, and then we enter the distributional phase. So this is my low target. This is my final target for shorts. If we go at 60, we see that also these levels, as on the pound, created an imbalance and also break the structure. So I was supposing that the price could react also to this key level. If we go to M5, we see the divergence as I show up to you before, and then we actually break the structure right there, and finally right there. Now the price didn't come back to my original entry, because if we see the pound and we compare to Euro USD, actually we took out this low right there. That creates a divergency, and we actually we virtually entered in the area, but I was looking for an enter on the pound because I looked the economic calendar and I see a lot of news on the pound, but unfortunately for me this doesn't actually help, because I know that the euro was weaker than the pound, because as you can see, for example, this level was took out on the pound and wasn't took out on the euro, and also we created this bearish divergence right there, which is this one. So I should took a trade on the euro, but I didn't trust myself and I ended up losing the entry, which on the euro could be something like this, the same level, stop loss right there, because now this is virtually our high, so we can place a stop right there. And then my target was these, but at least 1 to 2, so these. I eventually could, push the price a little bit below, and if we took this, okay, this could be my entry right there. So very unlucky trade, very unfortunate, but I also made a mistake and I pay for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a nice day.